You have been lied to about speaking English. Not directly, not intentionally, but in a way that has kept you stuck for years. You were told that before speaking, you must master grammar. That you need perfect sentences, correct tenses, and zero mistakes. So, you kept waiting. Waiting to become ready. But here is the truth that will change everything for you. You do not need grammar to start speaking English. You only need courage, clarity, and a simple way to express your thoughts. And today, I am going to prove that to you. Most people understand English. They can read it, they can listen, and they even know the meaning of words. But when it comes to speaking, everything stops. The mind goes blank, confidence drops, and suddenly even basic sentences feel difficult. Why does this happen? Because you were trained to translate from your native language and then check grammar before speaking. That process is slow, stressful, and unnecessary for real conversations. In this video, you will learn a different approach. A practical way to start speaking English without waiting for perfect grammar. You will see real examples, simple structures, and a mindset shift that will help you speak faster and more naturally. Let's begin. Why grammar is not the first step. The biggest mistake most learners make is believing that grammar must come before speaking. This belief creates hesitation and fear. Every time you try to speak, your brain starts checking rules instead of expressing ideas. As a result, even simple thoughts feel difficult to say. Now think about how language is actually learned in real life. When children learn to speak, they do not study grammar rules first. They listen, they observe, and they start speaking using simple words. Their sentences are not perfect, but communication still happens clearly and naturally. For example, a child might say, "Me want water." Grammatically incorrect, but the meaning is completely clear. No one gets confused, and the message is understood instantly. This shows that communication does not depend on perfect grammar. The same principle applies to you. People do not expect perfection when you speak. They only want to understand what you are saying. If your message is clear, even basic or broken sentences can work effectively in real conversations. Let's look at a simple comparison. Instead of saying a long and complex sentence like, "I would like to drink some water because I am feeling thirsty," you can simply say, "I want water." It is shorter, faster, and still communicates the same idea. Similarly, instead of saying, "I did not understand what you were trying to explain," you can say, "I don't understand." You can even say, "not understand," and most people will still understand you easily. This is the power of simple communication. You are not trying to impress anyone with perfect grammar. You are trying to express your thoughts clearly. And for that, simple English is more than enough. Another important point to understand is how your brain reacts. When you focus on grammar first, your thinking slows down because you are constantly checking rules. But when you focus on speaking with simple words, your brain becomes faster and more flexible. That is when real fluency begins. Your first goal is not perfect English. Your first goal is to start speaking without fear. Once you begin speaking regularly, your grammar will improve naturally over time because you are actively using the language instead of only studying it. How to speak without grammar? Now the question is simple. If you do not focus on grammar, how do you actually start speaking English? The answer is easier than you think. You begin by using small, clear sentence blocks instead of long and complex structures. Instead of trying to form perfect sentences, you focus on expressing your idea step by step. This reduces pressure and makes speaking feel natural. A powerful method is to think in keywords rather than full sentences. For example, if you want to say, I am going to the market to buy vegetables, you can simplify it to, I go market. Buy vegetables. The grammar is not perfect, but the message is clear. This approach helps your brain focus on meaning instead of rules, which makes speaking faster and easier. You can apply the same idea in daily situations. Instead of saying, I was feeling very tired after completing all my work, you can say, I feel tired. Work finished. Simple words, clear message, and no confusion. This is how real communication works when you remove the pressure of correctness. Another useful technique is using fixed sentence patterns. These are short structures you can use again and again, such as, I want this, I need help, I go there, or I come now. These patterns may look basic, but they are extremely powerful. When you repeat them regularly, your brain starts using them automatically without thinking about grammar. It is also important to stop translating from your native language. Translation slows you down and creates hesitation. Instead, connect English words directly to situations. When you feel hungry, think, I am hungry, not a translated version. Most importantly, accept mistakes. Speaking improves through use, not perfection. The more you speak, the more naturally your grammar will improve over time. Examples that prove this works. Now let's make this even clearer with real-life speaking examples. Many learners believe that without correct grammar, communication will fail. But in reality, people understand meaning more than structure. Even simple and imperfect sentences work effectively in conversations. Imagine you are at a shop and you want to buy something. You do not need a long, perfect sentence. You can simply say, I want this, or give me this. The message is direct and clear. The shopkeeper understands you immediately, even though the sentence is basic. Let's take another situation. You meet someone and want to start a conversation. Instead of thinking of a perfect sentence, you can say, you from where? Or, where you live. These are not grammatically complete, but the meaning is obvious. Communication happens without difficulty. Now think about asking for help. You do not need complex grammar like, could you please assist me with this task? You can simply say, help me, or, I need help. These short sentences are powerful because they are clear and easy to understand. Even in daily conversations, simple English works perfectly. Instead of saying, I did not understand what you were explaining, you can say, I don't understand, or just, not understand. People will still get your point without confusion. Another example is sharing your plans. You might think you need to say, I am planning to visit my friend tomorrow. But you can simply say, tomorrow I go friend house. The grammar is not perfect, but the idea is clear and understandable. This proves something very important. Communication is about delivering your message, not about sounding perfect. In real conversations, people focus on meaning, tone, and context more than grammar rules. So, if your sentence is simple but clear, you are already speaking effectively. And as you continue speaking like this, your sentences will naturally improve over time without forcing grammar rules. How grammar improves naturally over time. Now you might be thinking, if I start speaking like this, what about grammar? Will it always stay basic and incorrect? The answer is no. Grammar improves naturally when you start using English regularly. When you speak again and again, your brain begins to notice patterns. You start hearing correct sentences from others, from videos, and from real conversations. Without consciously studying rules, your mind slowly picks up what sounds right and what does not. This is how natural learning works. Just like children improve their language over time, you also begin to refine your sentences step by step. At first, you may say, I go market. But after enough exposure, you will naturally shift to, I go to the market, without forcing yourself to memorize rules. The key difference is that now grammar is not blocking you. It is supporting you. Earlier, grammar was stopping you from speaking. Now, it is helping you improve while you are already communicating. Another important point is confidence. When you start speaking with simple sentences, your fear reduces. You realize that people understand you even if your English is not perfect. This confidence pushes you to speak more, and more speaking leads to faster improvement. Also, your listening becomes stronger. You begin to notice how others form sentences. You start copying useful phrases without even realizing it. This builds your grammar naturally in a practical way, not in a theoretical way. At this stage, if you choose to learn grammar, it becomes much easier. Now you are not learning rules in isolation. You are connecting them with real sentences that you already use. This makes learning faster and more meaningful. So, the goal is simple. Start speaking first, improve along the way, and let grammar grow with your experience. That is how real fluency is built. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You need action. Stop waiting, stop overthinking, and stop translating from your native language. Speak with simple words and clear ideas. That is enough to begin. Fluency is not built by studying rules all day. It is built by speaking again and again. Even small sentences can create real progress if you use them daily. So, start today. Speak without fear, improve step by step, and trust the process. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.